Alright, we are at the Grand Ceremonial House at the Disney's Polynesian Resort in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. And look at this. They have modernized the elevators here. They used to be older Series 1. Hello.
Hello.
I'll let you head on up. You can come up. All right. Yep. These were the older Series 1s, but as you can see, they've now been modded. They're Series M2. Sounds like this one of them was just nudging. And here we got this one. Gonna point it down just in case someone's coming off. Come on, any day now. Alright. The cabs are the same, but look, new buttons. Anyways, here we go up to 2. Doors are way smoother now. Sounds like we may be a bit low on oil. The lanterns are gone, and we got a brand new motor too. The Otis logo that was there is gone too. One. Come on, I hope we close. There we go. I'm gonna get a cab view. Like I said, the cab appears to be the exact same as it was before the mod. I don't know about the wood paneling, but that's definitely the same. But there you have it. Grand Ceremonial House is modded. You know what? For the heck of it, we'll take another ride. Janus phone. You stay open for a pretty reasonable amount of time as well. These are way smoother than the original elevators, which I'm sure to the average rider that's preferred. But as an enthusiast, I like the jumpiness and the jolts the Series 1s had. We'll go back down to 1 and we'll end there. Here we are on 1. You got one. And anyways, you're good. Anyways, that's gonna be it.